Here are 10 common design engineer interview questions along with possible answers. 1. Describe your experience with product design and development. Answer: I have extensive experience in product design and development throughout my career. I have been involved in various projects where I collaborated with cross-functional teams to conceptualize, design, and implement innovative solutions that meet customer requirements and industry standards. 2. How do you approach the design process from concept to final product? Answer: I approach the design process by first understanding the project requirements and customer needs. Then, I engage in brainstorming sessions, create conceptual designs, and evaluate them based on technical feasibility, manufacturability, and cost-effectiveness. Through prototyping, testing, and iteration, I refine the design until it meets the design specifications and can be successfully manufactured. 3. How do you ensure that your designs are both functional and cost-effective? Answer: to ensure functional and cost-effective designs, I closely collaborate with cross-functional teams, including manufacturing, procurement, and cost estimation experts. By involving them early in the design process, I leverage their expertise to select appropriate materials, manufacturing techniques, and optimize the design for efficient production and assembly. 4. Can you describe a challenging design problem you faced and how you resolved it? Answer: certainly. In a previous project, I encountered a design challenge where I needed to develop a compact mechanism that could withstand high loads. To address this, I conducted in-depth research, consulted with experts, and conducted rigorous simulations to explore various design options. Ultimately, I developed a novel mechanism that met the load requirements while maintaining compactness and reliability. 5. How do you incorporate design for manufacturability principles into your design process? Answer: design for manufacturability is crucial for efficient production. I incorporate DFM principles by considering factors such as material selection, part consolidation, ease of assembly, and compatibility with existing manufacturing processes. By designing with manufacturability in mind, I minimize production complexities and optimize the overall manufacturing process. 6. How do you stay updated with the latest design tools and technologies? Answer: as a design engineer, I understand the importance of staying updated with the latest tools and technologies. I actively participate in industry conferences, workshops, and webinars. Additionally, I invest time in self-learning and exploring online resources to enhance my skills and keep up with advancements in design software, simulation tools, and emerging technologies. 7. Describe your experience in collaborating with other engineering disciplines during the design process. Answer: collaboration with other engineering disciplines is essential for successful design projects. I have worked closely with mechanical, electrical, and software engineers, among others, to integrate their inputs into the design. Through effective communication, regular meetings, and sharing of design data, we ensure seamless integration and a comprehensive approach to solving complex engineering challenges. 8. How do you handle design changes or modifications during a project? Answer: design changes are a natural part of the iterative design process. I handle them by carefully assessing the impact on project timelines, costs, and overall design objectives. I collaborate with stakeholders to evaluate the necessity and feasibility of the changes, ensuring proper documentation and communication to minimize disruption and maintain project alignment. 9. How do you approach design projects with tight deadlines? Answer: tight deadlines require efficient project management and prioritization. I break down the project into smaller tasks, create a detailed timeline, and allocate resources effectively. By leveraging my experience and collaborating closely with the team, I ensure a streamlined workflow, effective communication, and focused efforts to meet project milestones within the given time frame. 10. Can you provide an example of a design innovation you introduced in a previous project? Answer: Certainly. Here's an example of a design innovation I introduced in a previous project. In a recent project where I was designing a consumer electronics device, we were facing a challenge with limited space for components within the product's enclosure. To overcome this constraint, I introduced an innovative design solution called component stacking. Traditionally, components were laid out in a linear fashion, occupying valuable space horizontally. However, I proposed a design that vertically stacked certain components, taking advantage of the unused vertical space within the enclosure. This allowed us to maximize the use of available space and significantly reduce the overall footprint of the device without compromising its functionality. Implementing the component stacking approach required careful consideration of factors like thermal management, signal interference, and accessibility for maintenance or repairs. I collaborated closely with the electrical engineering team to ensure the necessary modifications were made to accommodate the stacked components effectively. The result of this design innovation was remarkable. We were able to achieve a more compact and streamlined product design without sacrificing any key features or performance. This not only enhanced the aesthetics of the device, but also reduced manufacturing costs and improved the overall user experience. The success of this design innovation was further validated through rigorous testing, including thermal analysis, signal integrity simulations, and usability evaluations. The positive feedback received from both internal stakeholders and end users reaffirmed the effectiveness of the component stacking approach in achieving our design objectives. This example demonstrates my ability to think creatively, consider unconventional design solutions, and implement them successfully to overcome project challenges.